Okay, friends, so here's how you do your Teams assignment. You have already gone into your class and you have already found the assignments tab over on the left-hand side, and you have already clicked technology practice, which is today's activity. So you already know how to get here. You have each of these videos here to help. They're either here or they're linked down below at the reference materials. Now what I need you to do is open where it says technology practice down here at the bottom. And when you do that, it's going to open up the Word document in Teams. Everything is the same information, same explanation as on the assignment itself, but it's just here in another place to help you more. So you are going to complete all 4 tasks below, and you will follow the videos for instructions. Your first task is to create and send an email to your teacher. Since you have already done that, you are going to click here and you are going to type an X. Now, if you try to type and that pops up where it says this document was opened in read-only mode, you're going to click Edit Document, and then you can type an X in the right place. Then you're going to open and complete the Nearpod activity. Remember, it was just a few questions. When you are done with that, after you've submitted your Nearpod, you are going to click X right there. Then record and submit a Flipgrid video, just a short little video, X, and you're done with that. And then complete and submit this assignment. This is the last thing you're doing. You are not doing this last box until you have finished everything else. So I'm going to type my X there, and then I scroll up, make sure I finished everything. Uh-oh, I forgot my name, Miss Hawkins. Uh-oh, did it a little backwards. Today is 8/18/21, and I am in second period. Then I'm going to hit close. And then I don't have it on mine because I'm a teacher, but you over here have a button that says turn in. Friends, do not turn in an assignment unless it is done. Let me say that again. Do not turn in an assignment unless you have actually finished the assignments. Please do not waste our time turning in blank assignments. And then you're done. You can go back to all of your teams, and there it is. Also, this is something really neat. Do you see how this is not bold, not bold, not bold, but this one is bold? Anytime it's bold or there's a number there in the corner, it tells you there's something new in that class that you need to see. So I'm going to click on it, and there it is. That's the new thing that I need to see is the technology practice assignment, which is what you're working on right now. If you have any questions, ask the people around you for help or ask your teacher. Have a great day, Vikings.